Scared because it just seems like something you would trust somebody else to do and not yourself. So if you saw my first video, I did the unboxing of my outdoor wheels kit, my toe guards, and my Sure Grip Fame boot. So right now we're gonna figure out how to change these wheels. I've watched some YouTube videos and I think I'm confident. Okay, so let's first take this wheel off because I am gonna be outdoor skating. So. They're so pretty. They are gorgeous. I got the 62s. The 65s were gonna feel like trucks on my feet. I just knew it. So I got the 62s. That's just one size down. That's the middle size, and we should be able to cover enough with this. So that's that. So you see there's nothing in the middle, so we gotta put our bearings in at this point. So bear with your girl, we're gonna get it going. So here's my bearings here. Okay, so I don't have the bearing tool, so I'm gonna do it like this. My girl Dita from Moxi said this is the way that you do it, so we're gonna see. Y'all, I'm gonna have to get right. All right, so one side is done. Okay, now we're gonna put the back in. This is like a science. Because I don't want it too loose. No spin. Okay, you guys, so I changed the lock nuts to the ones that came with the set, and these work better. It's a flusher fit. Yeah. So I'll be back once I get done changing the other 6. So after installing, these are it. These are my Radar Energy Teals in 62. They're going to be a 78A, so it's going to be more of a gummier wheel. I can't wait to get out and try them out. Hey you guys, this is just my initial roll on the Radar Energies. I did get them in 62 millimeters. I will say that I definitely feel a difference between the Radars and just the Sure Grip Fame wheel. It's just a completely different ride. Now you will be a little bit more sluggish since it is a 78A wheel, so it will be softer. But overall, I did enjoy my ride. And if you're contemplating, I just go ahead and purchase them. Me myself, although I am a little bit scared of the 65 millimeters, simply because when hopping on the 62s, I felt like I was on stilettos. But I mean, possibly try out the 65 millimeters and the Atom Pulses later. But right now, these Radar Energies are a go.